How should you handle kitchen fog? Fog is known as fats, oils, grease. What makes up fog? Here's a list of drain clogging fats and oils. Hit pause for more time to read and copy the list. Once cool, but still liquid, pour the oil or grease into an empty jar or can. Use recycled containers which can be thrown in the trash. You can keep the container in the refrigerator or freezer. When ready, seal the container and drop into the trash. Fog also hides on meal plates and cookware. Scrape excess food scraps into the trash as well. New kitchen habits can prevent nasty, expensive sewer problems down the road, if not on the road or in your home. Check out our video on the issues fog can cause and clog. For the Otay Water District, I'm Leonard Villarreal.